everybody, and welcome back to the Canadian Traveler. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to be unboxing something. I'm getting a little frustrated trying to make videos using a laptop that isn't really designed for making videos, editing. It's always freezing up. Sometimes it takes hours just to kind of boot the computer up and get it to a position where I can make videos. So I thought it'd be fun to make a video of an unboxing of a laptop. This is a new brand for me, so we're gonna check it out, and I hope you like it. So here we go. We have a box. It's got batteries in it apparently, and let's check it out. Oh, it's gonna be one of those boxes. Oh, never mind you. It's gonna be one of those impossible boxes, but it's not. It's a box within a box. No idea how this opens. I hope I'm supposed to do that. Looks like it. Follow the arrows. There we go. This, well, get the wrapper off, is a new MacBook, and it's got editing software built in or ordered in, and hopefully we can come up with some pretty neat videos to share with you guys. So I've researched different laptops. This is one that was coming up as a good one for video editing. It's a MacBook Pro, and it's got a 16-inch screen. I can't tell you a huge amount more about it at the moment, but oh, I just opened it and it turned on. Is that all you have to do? That surprises me. And very friendly. Hello. No idea.
It is hello.
Yeah, that's in that language.
Yeah. And yeah.
So, yeah, I'm hoping we're going to make some great videos, and I'll bring you along as we're editing some of this, and you can check it out. And I hope this is going to bring us some better videos in the future. So here we go. This is the Apple, what do we call this? MacBook, sorry, Pro. So I'm just getting a first look at it here. I don't know everything that's here. There's all sorts of icons here at the bottom, and let's see what's here. Well, I guess that's where everything gets put, all the programs, all the apps. So I've obviously got to go through this and figure it out and see what all it can do. It's got a really big mouse pad on here. But the other thing I noticed is this thing. This is a really big charger. I don't think I've seen a iPhone charger or Apple charger quite that size. So yeah, that's what this screen looks like. So this is the app I'm going to be using to create videos, Final Cut Pro. I have not seen it before, so let's check this out. There we go. This is the editing software. This is kind of the whole purpose. Have a computer that can edit much easier and much less waiting time. So I'm sitting here trying to edit, and you can see a lot of video here so far, and I'm just figuring it out. A little confusing. It's a learning curve for me, but for now, this is what I'm working on. I don't know what everything does yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. But so far, I am piecing together a video, and we'll see how the end result looks. So that was the unboxing of the MacBook Pro, and a little bit of an insight into the video editing. I've still got a lot of learning to go on the editing software side. I've never used this program. I hope we're going to end up with better videos, better quality, and stick around and hopefully you'll enjoy what we can produce. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button, and if you'd like, hit the subscribe, and you can be notified of any videos we've got coming in the future. We'll see you again.